So I wanted to put it cold, so I was giving. But why here? Oh, monkeys came and at once wanted to take butter from my hand, and that is why they
Put here.
and they began to laugh. And they used to tell to Mother Jasoda, because mother was not so much fortunate to hear and to know all these things, because what he was doing outside of his home. So all were testing, and they all like that Krishna should come to my house. And that is why Krishna used to go in their homes. So one day Jasoda, they were all complaining to Mother Jasoda. Your son is so restless.
So naughty.
Sometimes he goes, and if we still all the things here and there, we hide, then he comes to our sons who are newly born, and he did like so, chiti katna mane? Pinching, and they at once cry, and then quickly she runs away. He tells that if you will hide anything, then I will burn your home. Desperate he is. So Jasoda mother is now thinking, why my son is doing so? I think that, so I think that he should be controlled. And if he is not controlled, then he will be very,
Desperate.
very desperate and naughty. And he will not obey us. And he will be a gunda. Gunda, you know? Gunda, you know?
Scoundrel.
He?
Scoundrel.
Scoundrel.
Scoundrel, gangster.
Yes, like that. So we should try to control him. So he was thinking, how my boy is going so. And he told that, I will control my son. So go today, and I don't want to hear all the complaints daily. So I will do something for this. And in night he was thinking something. What he was thinking? How my boy does here, there, what he is doing. Vikretu kama akhila gopakanna murari padar pita chitta vritti dadhadi kangmoha vasad Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Like this she began to think. She was singing and also remembering all the pastimes of Krishna. And he was also thinking how to control my son. So in the night something singing also. How? Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. 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 Jai Jai Radha Radhe Jaya Jaya. Very good, sir.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Jayate.
जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी। Very good. Paramanande. All. Oh, funny Krishna. One day, he was playing on Brahmand Ghat with all his funny friends. But today, there was any other kind of a ranga.
Color.
Eh? Mood.
Teasing mood.
All were happy except Krishna. All were doing
Clapping.
clapping and laughing so much. Seeing towards Krishna. And all were laughing. Krishna could not understand anything. Baldev Prabhu was also clapping and so much laughing and clapping. Krishna could not think that what is the matter today. Bilmangal told, my dear friend, do you know why all are clapping? Oh, I cannot understand. I cannot think why they are clapping. He told in his very, very
Soft voice in his ear.
in the ear of Krishna, you are not son of Jashoda Maiya. This is the fact. How? Because you are black, your mother is golden color, your father is also golden color. How? From where you came? Black, so black. Krishna said, oh, I'm black. He could not reply them that why he has black. But his mother and father both are so
Golden color.
so beautiful. And they began more to clap and to do like this, Krishna. And Krishna began to weep. Oh, I am not the son of my mother Yashoda. And he began to weep. And all were clapping and all were उसे रिझा रहे थे.
Making fun of him.
Making fun of him. Krishna began to weep and he ran towards his home to Mother Yashoda. Yashoda was doing something, preparing anything for Krishna and Baldev. Roni Maya was also there. All were engaged in that. But Krishna was today so weeping and began to roll down on earth. Yashoda Maya at once came and he wanted to pacify Krishna. Why? What became of you? Who has beaten you? And he took a stick. I will
Punish them.
I will punish them. Oh, Baldev has done? He is not telling you. Who has done? Sridham has done? Oh, they are so wicked, I know. Why you go to with them and play? What has been done? Tell me. And he began to take Krishna in his lap, her lap. But he was doing like
Sliding.
and he was sliding. And he could not pacify, he began to weep more and more. After some time, she was thinking, why she is
Weeping.
Anyhow, she took Krishna in his lap forcibly and told that, tell in my ear, who has done this? Your father has chastised you, or who has chastised? He told, oh, all are clapping and laughing that you are not your son,
Son of Jashoda Maiya.
Jashoda Maiya. Anyhow, your mother was black, your father was black.
Golden color.
No.
Oh, this.
They were black.
Oh.
And from them you came. But
Could not
perhaps they could not support you and they have no milk in their
breast.
and that is why they kept it in a tree hole. And there you were weeping, sometimes talking your this and weeping bitterly. No one was to take care. Nand Baba is so merciful. He came to Brahmand Ghat to take bath, and he saw that, oh, any orphan boy,
He's weeping.
and he is weeping there. So he became merciful, and he took at once in his lap and returned to home and gave in the lap of Yashoda. He has no mother and father, so you should support this boy like a boy. So they are telling that you are not son of Yashoda, Maya and Nanda Baba. Then I am going anywhere else to search my father and mother, or I will go in Brahmand Ghat and jump, or I will go to any dense
Jungle.
forest, anywhere. I don't want to be here. Yashoda told you. Who told? So all are telling.
Dao bhaiya.
Dao Bhaiya is also telling. Yes, he is also telling. Oh,
Dao bhaiya.
I am telling you, taking the oath of my deity Narayan, that you are my son. You are sure my son. I have taken you in my own, and whole Brajavasi are
Witness.
witness. All know this fact. So you can go to any
Brajavasi
mother of any boy, your friend, and they will tell you. So I am taking this oath that you are my son, you are my son, you are my son. You don't say like that. One day, he became more
Older.
and then he was telling that, mother, I want to graze cows. This is a fashion, or this is a rule and regulation in Indian goats,
Milkman.
milkmen, that their sons should be also in a very good
Auspicious day
auspicious day, and they should go to.
for grazing.
So now Krishna and Baldev with all boys, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, they used to graze cows very nearer to Gokul, very nearer, not going here and there. So they were grazing. One day Yashoda, Krishna, as a habit, he was stealing butter. And Yashoda told, oh, why you don't tell me abundant of all these things? Why you go to other homes and steal butter like this? You should not do. Mother, when I have stolen,
Chance.
in very morning, you send me to
Cow grazing.
cow grazing, not cow, but calf grazing.
grazing.
I go to Madhuban. No? And whole day with them there grazing. And evening I returned. So when I still, I have no time. And coming from that, at once taking anything and sleep. And again going there. Yashoda is telling that तैने ही माखन खायो. क्या माखन खायो? Krishna is telling, मैया मैं नहीं माखन खायो, भोर भयो मधु
के पाछे मधुबन मोही पठायो.
Very good. Very मैं नहीं माखन खायो. मैया, mother, I have not taken माखन. I have not stolen. When I have done? भोर भयो गौवन के पाछे मधुबन मोही पठायो. I went to graze cows in very morning. And whole day they do. I tired and then I returned and at once I began to sleep. But Yashoda Maya told, oh yes, you have stolen, I know. Then Krishna told, weeping, it seems that mother, you are not my mother. You are my step brother perhaps, mother. So why I am here? Then I am going to anywhere else. And telling that, Krishna weeping and began to run away from the home. Yashoda Maya at once
Turn mood.
turned, and he began to weep. But my dear son, you are my son. Never tell like this, otherwise I will die. I know that you have not taken Makhan. My son, you have not taken Makhan. And Krishna is then weeping, telling, Maiya, maine hi Makhan khayo. Maine hi Makhan khayo means?
I did.
I have taken.
Certainly.
And Jasoda Maiya is telling, no, my son. You have not taken Makhan. And then Jasoda Maiya picked up Krishna and began to weep. Krishna was also like doing. So, all this is like a, क्या?
Last time.
उसको renewal of love.
Love in it.
Renewal of love. Jasoda Maiya now wants that perhaps this is the case that Krishna goes to other houses, neighbor houses, to take Makhan because they are sweet. And in my house, I have kept so many servants, maid servants. They make curd and they
Churning butter.
churn, and perhaps the Makhan is so sour, not so sweet. So from today, I will tell all my servants and maid servant, all my sakhis, they should go to
Their own residence.
resident
Take
to
leave for Deepavali.
Deepavali. To arrange for Deepavali. You know Deepavali? To Govardhan, lakhs and lakhs Pradeeps are
Lamp.
And in your home, everywhere, Pradeep, with ghee, not candle. Ghee Pradeep is so much gainful, so pure,
Auspicious.
and it refreshed the air and everything.
Environment.
So, all went, and Jasoda Maiya milked Padma Gandha. Padma Gandha, Goma means
This milk.
whose milk was like Padma Gandha, lotus flowers.
Fragrant of
fragrant.
lotus flower.
Kalindi, Yamuna, Pishangi, so sweet all. 8 cows were special, like 8 Sakhi, 8 Manjaris, also 8 special cows were in Nandbhav. There had been taken special care for them. So Jasoda Maiya today milked in evening and made very beautiful
Yogurt.
curd. And the upper malai
Cream.
cream was like
So
so
thick.
so thick, and reddish color. Ghee was tuck buck doing everywhere. Tuck buck, you know,
Boiling.
everywhere. Drops of ghee are seen like
Pearl.
pearls here and there. Jasoda Maiya, very morning, at about 4, in what time? Brahma Muhurta. And she sat to chant. There was a big rope. In the end of the road, 2 sides were some wooden to catch hold. And in a very big, round
Pillar.
she rapped 2-3 times. And she was doing like this. Jasoda Maiya very beautiful. Otherwise, Krishna cannot be so beautiful. Jasoda Maiya was more beautiful.
Like mother, like son.
Her breast was so, and
Broad.
this
Waist.
very
Lean and
so beautiful. Wearing a very
fine cloth.
fine means reshmi, you
Silk
know,
and silk.
that can come in this nail hole. 10 yards sari may come here.
Under your nail.
How fine. India was famous for this, especially in Dhaka.
Dhakai muslin.
So she was wearing. And his beauty, oh so sweet beauty, was peeping from that.
Fine cloth.
Fine cloth.
And wearing some,
Golden necklace.
and earring here golden.
Bengal.
And here golden
Bengal.
bangles. And he was doing so. Govinda Damodar Madhaveji, Govinda Damodar Madhaveji, Govinda Damodar Madhaveji, Govinda Damodar Madhaveji. Sweats like pearls from mouth, here and there, coming. The flowers from his beard
Beard.
were one by one coming. And the ankles, like
Karatal.
kartal, very sweet kartal, not like jump kartal, no, never, like twinkling. They were doing. And when she was churning the mathani with curd, the sound was like dhik tam, dhik tam, dhik tam. Those who were not serving Krishna, worshipping Krishna, chanting Krishna, fight to them. Like dhik tam, dhik, dhik, like this. And she was absorbed totally, forget everything. Observing in, thinking the pastimes of boy Krishna. I am going on doing. Krishna was sleeping on the bed, and now he was so hungry, quite naked. But he, at that time, also in sleeping, a very little bansi, always he used. Never. Perhaps he brought from his mother home, or I don't know. So he was like that. So, with bansi in one hand and weeping, mother, 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 and sometime like this, mother here, searching. But mother was not. Anyhow, he opened his eyes and said, oh, very far away my mother is journeying. Now he wanted to go to his mother. Their weapons is what?
Balanang Rodanam Balam.
Oh, only to cry and to weep loudly, more loudly, louder, loudest. So she was weeping, but Jasoda Maiya not hearing. Govinda Damodar Madhaveji, Govinda Damodar Madhaveji. And vessel was doing gharra, 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 like this. All totally observed. Krishna, oh, my mother is not here. So began to more louder. But Jasoda Maiya, not hearing, totally observed. What is this? Jatra mad bhaktra gayanti tat tisthami narad.
Naham tisthami vai.
Nam tisthami vaikuntha. I am not in Vaikuntha.
Yoginam hridaya.
Yoginam hriday. Not in the hearts of Yoginam. Where mad bhakta gayanti, where they sing, and then at once I used to go there. I cannot live in Vaikuntha anywhere. So quickly Krishna leaving this palanka, bed, and he is running towards Maya. He wanted to go. But how he should
Come out of the bed.
from that plank was so high. So how to come? He can jump whole world, no harm. He can fly with Trinavarta here and there, but he cannot get out from his bed. So anyhow, weeping. How weeping? Like this.
Rubbing.
Like here.
Rubbing his eyes.
Rubbing his eyes. Krishna himself so black, and this black water from Kajal also coming out, and he doing so all Kajal tears. So he became more black. More beautiful. Anything. Krishna is even naked, he is so beautiful. And if a black
Spot.
spot is here, oh, more beautiful. If he is covered with
Dust.
dust of Goraja, cow's face, oh, it is like a very beautiful powder.
Yeah.
And if anyone has met up Krishna, so beautiful. Anything given to Krishna, it makes more beautiful. He is so beautiful. So, Kajal was there, he was covered with Kajal, but yet he was so beautiful. And then he get down from the court. And he quickly,
And proceed
anyhow,
Come
on
down.
this,
come down.
come down. And then he was going. And more loudly, louder he was weeping. At last he went to very nearer to her mother and stood up and took by his one
Hand.
hand here Jashoda Maiya
Veil.
and other hand
Churning stick.
on that churning
Stick.
stick. You see, what happened? At once he stopped his singing and he saw like that. He saw that, oh, beautiful.
Lalla.
हाँ? लाला, हाँ? मेरा लाला है, मेरा लाला, और ये करके कृष्ण को गोद का. He took Krishna in her lap and covered Krishna and gave his her breast, and Krishna was choosing or sucking, and so much milk in her breast that Khir Samudra koti lakhs and lakhs Khir Samudra can come from that. So much. And Krishna stomach how much?
So big.
Koti Biraja, you know, can be here. Whole world can be here. So there was a competition.
Rivalry.
Milk was not stopping. And his hunger and his pet
Stomach.
was
Limitless.
no, not man bhar nahi raha.
Not filling up.
Not. So it was going on. What will be there? We will explain. I think that I should also tell all this katha beautiful in morning also class. Because it will be very benefit for you.
Tomorrow is also.
And in my classes in morning, I have told the teachings of Raghunath Das Goswami. Very, very good. You should try to obey all these things and to follow. If you want bhakti, and if you don't want bhakti, you want to play and to test anything, worldly desires, then I am not requesting. But I will request you that if you want bhakti, then try to follow very purely and boldly and strongly what Raghunath Das said. But these pastimes have so many teachings also, so many philosophy of bhakti, so much deep philosophy of bhakti. And I will try to explain them. Gaur Premanande.
Drama আছে.
Oh, drama? So you should quickly arrange. And anyone should do kirtan.
এর বোনও চলে যাবে কালকে।
হ্যাঁ?
এই ধৃতকৃষ্ণের বোনও কাল চলে যাবে, ও বলতে গান করতে।
Oh.